It's very simple, guys. You can read some texts online and you can get some money for it. That's what these guys offer to us, and it is incredible. Proofreading jobs are needed today and they can be very highly paid, so if you want to make some money by reading certain documents, follow me along the video to see what you need to do in order to get this started. I'm gonna lay out all the steps, so pay attention. It's simple, it's easy, and it works. So if you want to make money, follow me along the video and please like the video as well because it really helps. Now let's get started. So guys, first of all, you need to connect to this website, which is gonna pay us a lot of money today. This is Hire Scene, and guys, here are the jobs that are so easy that my head hurts, really. There are so many jobs over here, and as you can see, these are a few benefits of working from home. We need to start working from home these days, guys, because of Corona and everything. It's very popular, and as you can see, you have the offer to get yourself better flexibility, some more time, and some freedomness, guys. So as you can see, dirty office politics creates stress and distractions, and that's exactly why I like making money online from my home, guys. And these guys offer you a lot of opportunities. As you can see, there are some typing jobs over here, so you can type something and get yourself some money. You can do some of these paid survey jobs, so if you like surveys, you can do that as well. They offer that as well. And as you can see, this is what we are here for today. These are proofreading jobs, guys, and this is really crazy. This is incredible. You can just read some documents online and you will get yourself money, guys. As you can see, these guys are pretty popular. There are over 200,000 workers already on this website, and there are many projects over here, so you can see that these guys are in the business for a very long time now, and they are pretty popular. You can as well hire some freelancers to do job here, but we're not here for that. We are here to get some money, and as you can see, they have some pretty nice partners here. You can see here that they have partnered up with Ubisoft, with BMW, with IKEA, so it is a really good website. It offers you plenty of opportunities, so you have to just come over here and use them to your advantage and make yourself some money, guys. So all you have to do now is click on this button over here, which is entitled Login, and that will redirect you to this page. And over here, you have to become a verified freelancer, guys. As you can see, registration is free. You won't have to pay anything. You just have to come here and click on this Apply Now button. And now you will be redirected to this page where you can see that there are a lot of offers which you can take and make some money for yourself. So for example, as I've said, there are typing jobs and they are very well paid, so $4 to $6 per page. There are these proofreading jobs, and as you can see, this is $5 to $10 per page, guys. You can proofread certain documents and get a lot of money by doing this. There are also some surveys. If you like surveys, there's good money in that as well. So a lot of opportunities. As you can see, if you like PowerPoint, you can do some presentation job over here. You can do voice recognition job. You can translate into some languages. If you know any other language, that's good for you. You can do some Excel spreadsheet entry job, some graphic designing jobs. But guys, I made a lot of money by using these ones. These are proofreading jobs and I really like them. So just click on that and you will be redirected to this page where they will explain everything for you, what you need to do, some technical requirements. So you only have to have a desktop or laptop PC. You only need to have Microsoft Office installed on your working PC, and you need reliable internet connectivity. And that's it, guys. Skills over here are pretty simple. Some elementary skills in proofreading, and that's what we all got, guys. We all have good knowledge of internet-based applications. We all have good communication skills, so this is pretty easy, guys. Easy money for easy work, guys. That's it. That's all we have to do here, guys. Come here and scroll down to the bottom and click on this button, Apply to be an online proofreader. And now on the next page, you will see that these are the steps to get enrolled on this website. So first of them would be review the hiring process. So you can just go through and review how we hire instructions and carefully do that before submitting your application. So if you click on this step 1 over here, you will be redirected on how to apply for certain jobs and what do you need to do in order order to get this started. So there are some simple steps, but you can just watch this video till the end and I will explain you everything. So the next step would be submit job application, guys. And if you click here on step 2, you will be redirected to this online application form, and this is what you need to take care of, guys. This is what is important for this website. So as you can see, you can just put in your username over here, your last name, first name, email address, some simple information about yourself, and here select your notice period, guys. This is important. You have to select immediately because these guys want these freelancers to be available immediately for them, and you will get more job opportunities if you do that. Now here, which positions are you interested in? We're gonna select proofreading jobs because those are good paying and so easy. Country, as you can see, it works in any country out there. It is very easy to apply. It doesn't matter where are you coming from. This works in every country out there. So next option is your current work status. You can put in what you want. I decided to put in freelancer because that's what I am, and maybe they will be more inclined to send more job opportunities for me knowing that I'm a freelancer, that I have more time. And here, enter a bit about yourself. So for example, I made a template here. You can use it as well. You can just copy and paste it. So it shall go something like, good day, my name is, and you put your name. I'm very interested in applying for this proofreading job at HireScene. I'm ready to start as soon as possible, and I'm open to receiving more job opportunities. This is like a welcome letter, and you need to write it like in a few lines and just be happy with it and open to them so they know they have a good person. Now you only have to click on this button over here and complete these boxes over here and click on register button. And that's it, guys. They will then invite you to an interview. They will send you an email. You will confirm your email address. And when you do all of that stuff, you can just go back to the web page, to the home page, and click on the login button over here and just log in with your details, with your email, username, and a password. Click on login button and then start getting those jobs. Start getting that money. And you don't need to invest anything into this method, guys, because as you can see, all you must have your own computer equipment. Either a Windows or a Mac system is acceptable, so everything you have. Next requirement is be a good human being, and that's what they need. So you must be a good human being, so you will be friendly to everyone and you will get more job opportunities if you do. And you also need an internet connection, and that's what we all have today. You just need a way to connect to these people, and that's very easy, guys. So no investment, everything is free over here. You will come here, join this application process, get those jobs, and start making yourself huge amounts of money, guys. As you can see, you receive your earnings through PayPal and few other payout modes. So whatever you choose, it is up to you. They have a lot of these options. So for example, you can go with bank transfer directly, you can do PayPal cash out, you can shop online, and you can get some gift vouchers, some gift cards. So you don't have to worry about payment methods. They have plenty, and you will get your money sent to you instantly. So I hope you guys found this video useful for yourself. I hope that you will go and make some action for yourself and start getting this money for yourself, because guys, as you can see, these are some things which will get better for you if you start working online, and you will have more happiness in life. You will have more time for yourself. You will have better incentives and better flexibility, guys. These are all great things to have, and you will have money in your pocket like you never did. So come over here, take some action, follow this video, and make this application work and start doing those proofreading jobs or these other jobs if you are more interested in them. But proofreading jobs are the greatest here, so I suggest that you come, take some action, and get yourself some money, guys. I'll catch you guys later.